you go, Team Karaa. Number 9, number 8 to number 24, right side, number 16, De La Cruz, sa gitna ngayon. And pass back, De La Cruz against Bahenting. Create space, launches on 3, short, in and out, number 24, pass to number 16, pass it back to the middle. Number 25, deep 3, short, rebound para mapupunta dito sa team Dabraa. Here you go. Oh, straight to the hole. Pellegrino. And now setting the play for team Karaa. Corner pass. Number 16, De La Cruz. Another corner 3. In and out. Rebound Bahenting. Bahenting now. Stop, takes, corner, fires at 3. Short. Rebound mapupunta sa team Karaa. And here you go, team Karaa. Number 24, De La Rosa ba yun? Fires at 3. No. Rebound by Hending. Pellegrino. Now at the top. He drives. Fake, stolen. Stolen for team Karaa. Stops and pass to the middle. Fires Pascual at 3. No. Off the target. Rebound. Fakes. Kicks out. Another 3 for Karaa. Wala pa rin. Rebound mapupunta dito kay Sanoria. Sanoria now. Pass to Bahenting. Bahenting now at the top. The crossover. He goes to the screen. Another attack. Inside pass. Baterbornia kick it out. Wide open for 3. No. Rebound mapupunta dito kay Sanoria ulit. Another. Fires at 3. Bang! Nothing but the bottom of the net. No hesitation, straight to the hoops, but there's a whistle. It's not a bucket. There's a foul for the second quarter. And first quarter, first row, bucket yan. Second on the free throw. Lalabas muna. And ball possession dito para sa team Karaa. Number 11, number 8, number 14. Behind the back, dancing at the floor. Pass to the middle, launches on deep. No. Rebound mapupunta kay Sanoria. Nadapa. Inbound team Karaa, bounce pass. Muntik nang nakanakaw play, kicks it out. Number 11. Decided to take easy. For 3. No. Rebound. Offensive foul shot. Here's Sanoria. Sanoria passes to number 14. He attacks, he bump. Bounce pass inside. Gandang cut, gandang finish, gandang pasa. Here comes De La Cruz to Adwan. De La Cruz sa gitna, stolen by Cayetano. And here you go, Sanoria, steps the gas. Pull up jumper, no. Rebound mapupunta dito sa Karaa, number 8. And here's Adwan. Adwan now at the top. Pass to the left, Pascual has 3. Bang! Another 3. Back to back 3 for team Karaa. And 29-25 ang score natin mga bossing. And here's Sanoria. Nagmamadali. The side step. Oh, and it's a bucket. And 31-25 here. Pascual cross pass. And attacks. Stops. Sa gitna again. Triple shot. Bang! Back to back 3. Back to back 3 para sa team Karaa. Sanoria sa gitna. Pass to number 14. Number 14 now. Corner, Cayetano. Sasagot, wala. Number 14, Adwan. Adwan, cross the mid lane. Pass to number 8. Aasinta sa 3. Bang! rebound basket and one. Oh! Back to back three for Team Karaa. Grabe yun, basket and one pa mga bossing. Karaa for completing the 4-point play. No in and out. And it's number 17. At the poop, nabitawan, na-recover, off. Bola ang Team Dabra, Pellegrino. Bounce pass number 14. Di distansya, pass it back for the Lopus. Poposte ngayon, spin, pull up J, no, off the target. Rebound dito para sa Team Karaa. At doon dito, cross the mid lane, atake against number 1. Dabra, mga bossing. Dabra. Pellegrino against number 16. Pellegrino now at the top. Bump. 31 score natin mga bossing, ha? All 31. Update sa score. Here comes Bajenting. Bahending at the top. Pass to the middle. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Sanoria. Fakes. Kicks it out. Open. Decided to take easy for Pellegrino against number 11. Switch. Corner. Pass. Fires. No. Rebound dito para sa team Karaa. Stepping the gas number 11. Pinasa kay number 25. Pull up J. Short. Rebound Pellegrino. Pellegrino guarded by 2. 2 on 3. Pellegrino create space. Kicks it out by ending. Open look. Bang! By ending. On 3. Here you go. Number 16. De La Cruz. All De La Rosa. Number 16 drives spinning. Up for the receiver. Number 25 Pascual. Pascual against Pellegrino. Dancing at the floor. Deep 3. Short. Mapupunta dito sa team Davao. Bounce pass. Atake ngayon. Bump. Reverse layup. Oh! Sinausaw! Sinausaw the sauce! For Baterbornia. Baterbornia completing the 3-point play. And he gets complete the 3-point play. Number 14 sharing the play against Pellegrino. Adwan goes to the screen. Adwan. He wants some space. He pass. Pascual to Adwan. Adwan. Spinning. Attacking. Bumping. Pass. Offensive foul ang iginawad. And he used his elbow according to Pellegrino. Pass to Bahenting. Bahenting. Bump against number 16. Bahenting behind the back. Dancing, crossing, slope. Oh, he's making his dance. And it's a bucket of friendly goal. What a shot. Grabe yung pinakita doon ni Bahenting. Showtime. What a finish by Bahenting. And here's number 11. Attacks. Pass. Guarded by 2. Ball. Backdoor inbound for Team Karaa. Now looking for the receiver. Nagkalat na sila. Pinasa kay De La Cruz. To the middle. Open look for 3. Left alone. No. Rebound dito para kay Baterbornia. Bahending. Oy. Oy, oy, oy. Anong tatawag? Oh. Op. What's that? Nag-usap-usap mga referee natin mga boss. Anong tawag doon? Mga bossing. And here's Bahenting at the top. Guarded by Pascual. Bahenting atake. Pull up jumper. Nearly got it. Hey! Bucket is good. Grabing pinapakita ngayon ni Bahenting mga bossing. And here's number 11 for Team Karaa. Guarded by Baterbornia. And pass to number 1 for 3. No. Rebound. Oops. It's a backdoor inbound play for Team Karaa. No. And it's number 14 Adwan. Crossover between the legs, creating space. Aatake, kicks out for 3. No. Rebound, mapupunta dito sa Karaa. Number 14. 14 Davao. Pass to Bahenting. Bahending. Cross the mid lane. Bahending at the top. Aatake. Dancing again. Spinning. Bumping. Lost the handle. Recover. Kicks it out. Here you go, Pellegrino. Pellegrino aatake. The side step. The far of the window. Bank shot is goal. Here's Karaa at 1 for 3. No short. Rebound mapupunta dito para sa team Dabraa. Number 17 bounce pass. Diretso bounce. Oh! Baldog si Idol. Nalos. Naagaw dito para sa team Karaa. And here you go, team Karaa. Number 24. Pass to number 11. Kicks out. Drives. Spins. Natapit dito. And for the inbound, inaagaw dito ni Sanoria. Sanoria, long pass, Pellegrino. Easy to. And number 25, Pascual. Number 15, sharing the play. In the pass, number 25, spinning, Bayenting with him. Pascual dancing. Screen. Attack, nakalusot. Hook shot. No. Rebound dito, Butterbornia. Bahending. Nagmamadali. Pass, open, fix. Oh, gandang peke. Bang! And he connects the 3. Number 15, bounce pass. Number 11, against Sonoria. Sa 3, sasagot. Bang! That's Del Rosario. And stepping the gas, Pellegrino, straight to the hoops. It's good. Number 15 now at the top. Bahending with him. Pass to number 11. Against Sanoria. Straight and pass. Sa gitna, stolen by Cayetano. Butterbornia. Basket is good. Butterbornia. Lumalayo ng kalamangan natin mga bossing. 54-34, 20-point lead. 54-34, 20-point lead. 14 Davao. And it's number 24 Del Rosario off the mark. Rebound para kay Sanoria. Sanoria. Oh, fake pass. Bang shot is good. Napapasigaw dito ang team Dabraa ng Let's Only Go. Oh, wala. Rebound Butterbornia. Fake. Create space. 4 yung bumantay. Rejected. And that was rejected for Team Karaa. Adwan, corner pass. Pass to Adwan. Open inside. Pass. Libre. Oy! Wala. Karaa. And pass. Corner. Fire sa 3. No. Off the target. Rebound dito Karaa. Sa gitna. Pinasahan ng wala. Mapupunta dito para sa team Dabraa. Bayenting. Pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino drives. Hook pass. Ang gandang pass. Oh my God. What the shot. Grabe. Perfect pass. Perfect dunk. Hook shot. Basket is good. Grabing connection yun. And the pass. Here comes Pellegrino. Pellegrino now at the top, sharing the play. Goes the screen, no. Stops, fires, no. Rebound, put back, rejected. And recover by Henting Pellegrino. Left alone for 3. Short. And here's number 4. Number 14. Number 25. Blaze. Short. Rebound Baterbornia. And here's Team Karaa sa 3. No. Rebound putback. Sa 3. No. Rebound dito, Team Karaa. Left alone for 3. No. Rebound mapupunta sa Karaa. Kalawit rebound for Team Karaa. Free space, kicks out, left alone for 3, short. Rebound Pellegrino. Pellegrino. Fires at 3. No. Rebound mapupunta sa Dabraa. Stop spins. Sa gitna, Pellegrino. Pellegrino. Steps inside the lace. No. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin nila. Susubok. Wala. Rejected. Recover. Grabe. Saves yun. Saved by Baterbornia for 3. No. Inbound. Here comes Team Davao. Sanoria tries the 3. No. And here you go. Team Karaa. Number 14. Number 16. Book shot. Basket is good. Bounce pass. Space. Oh! Oh no! Rebound putback shot. Oh! Cleaning his own mess. Boy Pellegrino. And he stops. Attacks. Kicks it out. Open look. Fires at 3. In and out. That's in and out and foul call. And here you go, Team Karaa. Number 15 fires at 3. And here you go, Bahending. Bahending, pass to number 17, looking for Pellegrino. Decided to attack, stolen for Team Karaa. And the pass. Here comes Team Karaa. Number 16, with the handle, the bounce pass inside. And ball possession, mapupunta sa Karaa mga bossing. Court for 3. Bang! Pascual! Pellegrino. Pellegrino. Dancing. Crossover. Dumistansya. Umatake. Fires of... And it's number 16. Binit bit. Goes to the left. Oh, the lefty. Nilipat pa. And here's Bahending against De La Cruz. Oh! Pellegrino. Pellegrino fires at 3. Fires at 3. Wala. And picks sa gitna. And nandito na number 16. Almost lost. Tag-agawan. Saves the ball. Recover for Team Karaa. Number 8. Number 25. Number 25, Pascual. Sa gitna, Adwan. Adwan fires at 3. No, rebound. Put back, easy bucket. The rebound. Bahending. Bahending against number 16. Bahending, bounce pass. One piece post. Posting up, kicks out. Sa gitna. Fires at 3. Luge. No. Rebound mapipunta dito sa for the inbound. Open look for 3. Bahending. No. Ang taas tumalan ni Luge. Luge, step back for 3. Short. And last shots tayo dito. 10 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Umatake. Kicks out. For 3. In and out. Rebound mapupunta dito. Bahending. Creating space. Lulusot. Place. Rejected. Bahending, Pellegrino for 3, corner 3, no. Rebound mapupunta dito para sa team. Para number 8, number 25, Pascual, great space for 3, short. Bahending, sa gitna, Sanoria. Drives to the hoops. Yes, sir! And it's Team Kara. Spinning. Firing. No. Rebound dito, Baterbornia. Bahending now with the leader. Bahending. Sa gitna, Sanoria. Looking for Pellegrino. Pellegrino steps inside. Pass sa gitna. Libre si Sanoria. Pinabitin pa! And it's number 8 for team Kara. Number 25 behind the back dancing. Making his space and passes to number 14. Adwan now asking for a pick. Adwan. Pass to the right wings. Deep 3. And here's Pellegrino. Pellegrino goes to the screen. Pellegrino dancing. Crossover. Hook shot. No. Rebound para sa Team Kara. Dalawang pass. Goes to the hoops. Yes, sir. It's a good 4-2. Bank shot is good. And here you go. Bahending. Bahending. Sanoria. Sanoria crossover. Spins. Kicks it out. Corner. Open look. Cayetano. No. Rebound number 11. And yung Team Kara, corner pass, Adwan against Pellegrino. And it's number 24, pass to number 14. Stop pull-up jumper at 3. No, rebound Sanoria. Pellegrino spins. Goes to the middle, lost the handle, recovered by Baterbornia, bump to the middle. Stop for 3, Sanoria, no. Rebound number 14. Adwan, inside pass, takes. Backdoor inbound. Team Kara, corner 3, no short. Rebound by Sanoria. Bahending. Bahending is spinning. Bounce pass. For the inbound. Here's Bahending. Bahending. Cayetano. Trade space. Step back. 3. No. And Sanoria. Cayetano. Bahending. Pellegrino. Pellegrino. Dance. Bam. Yung dalawa yung bantay. Takes, stops, number 14, deep 3, no. And here's Sanoria. Sanoria. Pellegrino. Pellegrino asintada, aatake, create space, step back, no. Rebound, Butterbornia. Uy, eksakto, nalusot. Butterbornia, strong move. Enerstin Kara, number 14, number 11. Bump against Bahenting. Number 24. Del Rosario, deep three. No. Pellegrino goes to the screen. Side step, kicks out. Open, fires at 3. Basketball. Create space. Kicks it out. Drive to the hoops. Left handy. No. And first throw, wala mga bossing. 68-52 tayo mga bossing. 16-point lead. Team Dabra. Bahending against number 16. Bahending. Pass to Sanoria. Sanoria behind the back dribble. Create space. Step back. Fire. No. And here you go, team. Taraan. Nakalusot. Pinabitin against Sanoria. Basket is good. Here comes Sanoria. 3 minutes, 55 seconds on the final quarter, mga bossing. Namang dito ang 13 ang team Davao. Number 14, corner pass, Sanoria. Step back for 3. No, rebound dito. Oh, my foul. Lag siya, lag. Sorry. And yung steam car, mga bossing. Spins. Oh, fade away. Wala. 69-55, sorry. Oh, natapikan. Nag-dive silang dalawa. Naagawan mga bossing. Nagsatres. No. Muntik na yon. Bahenting against number 16, Sanoria. Sanoria, pass to Pellegrino. And here you go, number 16 against Sanoria. Number 25, Pascual. Di distansya, atake to the hoop. So rejected. Here's Pellegrino. Pellegrino, sumegway sa gitna, pinasa kay Sanoria, pinabiti pa, no. Rebound dito, mapupunta ta sa team Karaa. De La Cruz, cross pass, takes, drives, corner, number 11, number 16. At calm down tayo sa gitna. Oh, may nadapa. Natapikan. Saves the ball. Oh, pass break na yun. Pasa, number 13, rejected. Rejected from behind. Here comes Pellegrino spinning. Corner, fakes, drives. Hook pass. Number 1, Luge wide open. No, in and out. Rebound, Luge pa rin. Taking easy for Team Davao. Here you go. And here's Pellegrino. Pellegrino stop at 3. In and out. Rebound pa rin dito para sa Team Davao sa 3. No, wala pa rin. Oh! Basket and 1 ang hinahanap ng team. Completing the 3-point play for hit. Oh! Rebound pa sa likod do si Luge. Grabe ka, Luge. Luge rebound. Ang taas tumalon ni Luge. Luge here. Number 1, bounce pass, Sanoria. Hook shot. No. Number 14, Adwan. Adwan, straight to the hoops. No. Rebound, napupunta kay Luge. Long pass, Butterbornia, 1-on-1. To the hoops, muntik na dinakda. Floater shot off the window, no. Rebound dito kay Butterborn niya. Matatapos na yung laban mga bossing. 50 seconds, final quarter. Suportahan ang ating mga laro sa palarong pambansa Agsur. Far to strong. And 35 seconds left on the final quarter mga bossing. Sa loob, pick. Fire, umakyat ang bola, pasok yan. 29 seconds, 73-29 ay 73-57 tayo mga bossing. At dito magpo-commit na ang Car Region. Ang gandang laban. Ang ganda ng pinakita ng Team Car. Ayun mga bossing, salamat sa support.